Welcome yogis, Namaste, welcome to Yoga with Shakira. I am Shakira. Welcome to day 5 of our 10 days yoga challenge. We'll start today in Sukhasana. Half of full lotus, sit back within your practice. Go ahead and sit tall, broaden your collarbones. Reaching through the ceiling to the crown of the head and close your eyes. Just grounding ourselves here for a while we set the intention for your practice today. Today's flow is going to be a little bit of backbending with heart opening. But as usual, do what you can, rest when you need to, and just enjoy the practice. Go ahead and start the intention. Go ahead and set your intentions for your practice. You can bring your palms together in front of the heart, taking a deep breath in. And exhale, bow down towards the palms. And slowly now finding your tabletop position. Come up to your palms and knees hip width apart. Palms shoulder wide. Spread your fingers right here. Tuck the toes down, and as you inhale, kick your right heel to the back, grounding through the right palm. Soften your right ankle. Lift your left hand up. Inhale here, hugging your belly in towards the spine. And as you exhale, bring your right knee towards your left elbow. Inhale, kick. Reaching forward. Exhale, touch. Inhale, kick your right heel to the back. Reach your left hand forward. And exhale, touch. Inhale, kick. Last two. Exhale, touch. Last one. Inhale, kick your right heel to the back. Reaching forward. Exhale, touch. And stay here. 5, 4, rounding. 3, 2, and 1. Reaching in to the back. You can stay here or bend your right knee, turn your left palm to the back. Grab hold of your right foot. Kick into your left palm. Send your heart forward. Maybe turn your head up. Roll the left shoulder to the back. Soften your right elbow. And slowly now, release the left palm down. Send your right foot to the back, finding your gate pose. I'm just going to be turning down to you. Inhale, lift the body up. Exhale, side bend to the right. Inhale up, reaching left hand to your left ankle or heel. Send your heart up, chest up, hips forward. And slowly releasing your right palms back down, finding your tabletop position. If you need to, you can send your hips right and left or clasp for a while. And we'll take it to the other side. Come up on your palms and knees. Kick your left heel to the back, square your hips. Hug your belly in, lift your left hand up, inhale. Exhale, rounding your back, touching left knee, right elbow. 4 more, inhale, reach up. Exhale, round. Inhale, reach up. And exhale, round your back. 2 more, inhale, reach. And exhale. I've lost count, so maybe 1 more. Inhale, reaching forward and kick to the back. Exhale, staying here. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Reaching right hand forward. Maybe bend your left knee, grab hold of your left foot. Kick into your right palm, turn your head up. And slowly now release your left palm down, right palm down, turning towards you. Extend your left foot out, keeping your hips on top of your knee. Lift the body up, arms up. And as you exhale, left hand down, reaching to the side. Inhale back to the center, right palm to your heel. Stand your hips forward, chest up. And slowly bring the body back up. Finding your tabletop position. Find your child's pose. Knees together or apart. Release the forehead down on the mat. And slowly now look forward. Spread your fingers wide. Find your tongue facing down. Deep breath in through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Inhale, lift the heels, exhale. Waving your spine and body forward, high plank. Stacking your shoulders on top of your wrist. Lower your front body down, all the way down. Extend your arms wide. Point your elbows up to the sky. Inhale, lift the body up. Bring light on your fingertips and bring the body down. Bring the palms back in. Hug your elbows in. Lift the back leg up. The back legs up. If your legs want to open, let them open. Bring light on your palms now. Extend your arms forward. Maybe take the gaze up higher. Send your heart up more. And if you want to, you can open your arms to the back. Little fingers coming closer towards the body. And slowly now, press the palms down. Bring the body down. Rest on the right cheek or your right elbow. And slowly bring the body back to the center. Pressing the palms down, rolling the shoulders away from the ears. Inhale, lift the body up, lift the legs up. You can bend your knees here, keeping your palms pressed, or maybe hold off your feet. You don't have to come up, just using the strength of your arms and your legs to pull you to the back and to pull you forward. Just opening the front chest here. And slowly now release. Maybe resting on your left cheek. And slowly pressing the palms down, flat the toes under. Lift the body up by releasing the knees down, or you can press up into high plank. And exhale, down dog. We'll be taking one round of Surya Namaskar. Inhale, look forward, walk your feet to the top of the mat. Exhale as you fold over your legs. Inhale, halfway lift fingertips down on the mat or on the shins. Exhale, fold. And inhale, slowly lift the body up. Exhale, bring the palms together in front of you. Inhale, lift the arms up. Exhale, swan dive forward, fold into your ustrasana. Inhale, urdhva dhanurasana, look forward, half lift, hug the belly in towards the spine. Exhale, palms down, step back, high plank. Knees just chin down or shift forward, chakrasana down. Inhale, cobra or up dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. So from downward dog, go ahead and release the knees down. Release the entire front body down. Bending the knees. Revisiting your bow pose. You can hold the feet from the inside of the arch or from the outer side. You can try. If your knees want to open, let them open. Lift the body higher. Roll the shoulders to the back. Inhale. Exhale, stay. Inhale, one more. And as you exhale, lower the front body down. Release the feet. Palms down. Push back up. Revisit your downward facing dog. Noticing if there's any changes, any sensations in your spine. Release your heels down towards the mat. And slowly now, release the knees down. Are you turning? No, are you facing forward now? Tuck the toes under. We'll do half camel and after that we'll do full camel. Inhale, lift the arms up. Exhale, right hand, right palm on your right heel. Send your hips forward, chest up. Throat to the back, reaching to the left. And slowly come back up. You can rest here, taking your rebound momentarily. And ready to the other side. Left palm down, left heel. Lift your heart up, chest up, reach. And simply back to the center. You can take your rebound here or sit on your heels in Virasana, maybe closing your eyes. If your spine, your body is already feeling that's a bit too much for me, you can rest out the full camel pose. Or if you still feel okay, let's go ahead and set up and rest at the end of a full camel pose. Inhale, lift the arms up. Hips over your knees. Hips on top of your knees, not over. Right hand down to your heel. Send your hips up, chest up. Lower your left palm down. Send your heart up, hips forward. Do not contract your glutes here. Send your throat to the back. Inhale. And slowly now come back up. Sit in Virasana, hero pose. Again, observing how your body is feeling. If sitting in hero pose is a little bit too much on your knees, you can, if you have a block, slide a block under your seats, and you can sit down here. Slowly down. I say slowly, not too much. Lower your hips down. Lie down on the mat. Keeping your knees bent, pressing the feet down, palms down. Observe how your body is feeling. If you have done enough for the day, then you can just rest here. If you'd like bridge pose, let's do that together, pressing the palms down. Knees and feet in line. Inhale, lift the hips up, chest up. Palms can be pressed down here, or your palms under, walk your hands under your body. Interlace your fingers, pressing on the little fingers. Lift your hips higher now. Maybe close your eyes. Don't look right and left in this position. Your neck is being stretched and compressed. And gently lower your body down. Resist the temptation to immediately hug the knees in towards your body and expand your legs straight. And if you want to join me in attempting wheel pose, step your feet back in. Flip the palms besides your ears. Elbows are pointed up. Maybe take a look at this at me first before you attempt. If this is your first wheel pose, pressing the feet down and slowly roll on top of the crown of the head. Keep pressing the palms down, cut the elbows in, and slowly lift the hips up. You can stay here. For some people, this is a big challenge, so you can stay here. Or fire up the arms, lift the body up. Finding your wheel pose. And if you want to, you can try to straighten your legs, sending your heart, your chest beyond your arms. And slowly lower your body down, bending your elbows, lower the crown of the head down. And slowly lie down on the mat. Again, resist the temptation to hug your knees. Maybe just open your arms. Step your feet wide. Maybe just windshield your knees right and left. Slowly. You are not rushing anywhere. You are ending the practice today. And slowly step back into Shavasana, final relaxation pose. Feet wide, palms by your side. Close your eyes. Melting your body, your heart, your spine, your hips towards the mat. Bringing the sensations, the mindfulness of your sensations back. Where there was discomfort, is there now ease? Where there was noise, maybe in your mind, maybe in the physical body, is it now quiet? We'll be ending the practice today here in Shavasana. So go ahead and take as much time as you need. Thank you for sharing your practice with me today. Namaste. See you again tomorrow.